In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix's free subdomain option, which is perfect if you're looking to get your site up and running without spending a dime on a custom domain. Let's dive right in and make the most of this free yet effective solution for budding web creators. First things first, go ahead and navigate to the website wix.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. Otherwise, you'll need to sign up to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find all your website projects on your dashboard. Select the site you're working on to open it in the Wix editor. Now, you're ready to publish it for the world to see. Look for the publish button in the editor at the top right corner. It's easily accessible and conveniently positioned to give your site that final touch. Clicking it will initiate the publishing process. But before you proceed, it's always good practice to double check your site for any changes or updates you might have missed. Once you hit publish, Wix will automatically generate a free subdomain for you. This subdomain follows a standard format: username, wixsite.com site name. This means that whatever username you've registered with and the site name you've chosen will become part of your free web address. Pretty cool, right? It's an efficient way to establish your online presence without the hassle of custom domain fees. Plus, it allows you to get creative with how you promote your brand through the username and site name you choose. Now, you might be wondering how you can share your website with friends, family, or potential visitors. Wix's free subdomain is public, which means you can share this link freely. Simply copy the URL from the address bar after publishing your site and share it wherever you'd like. Whether you are posting it on social media, sending it in an email, or featuring it in a blog post, sharing is simple and entirely free. Remember, while using a Wix free subdomain is cost-effective and straightforward, it's important to note that it's not a custom domain. This means that it won't have that personalized touch a custom domain might provide, which can be crucial if you're building a brand or business. However, it's an excellent way for personal projects, portfolios, or if you're just starting out and want to test the waters. And there you have it. You've successfully published your site on a Wix free subdomain. It's a fantastic way to get your creative projects online, accessible, and available to share without spending any money on web hosting or domain registration. Thanks for tuning in. In our next episode, we'll explore options for upgrading to a custom domain when you're ready to take the next step. Until then, happy website building!